Do you want to deliver something to your subscribers physically using ActiveCampaign? Do you have a sticker? Do you have a book? Do you have a t-shirt which you want to deliver for free to your subscribers after they opt in? How can you do it using ActiveCampaign? Hi, my name is Andrew from Digital Consulting NYC. I'm certified ActiveCampaign consultant, and in this video, by end of this video, you will learn step by step how to do what I just described, how you can create opt-in form to deliver physical products to your true fans. So first, let's log into ActiveCampaign. So first thing we have to do is log into our ActiveCampaign account, and after we are logged in, we need to go to lists. We click on the lists, and we need to create different fields. So basically, what information do we need from the subscribers? First, we need their email. It's by default. We'll need their first name, we'll need last name, and we need address. And as well, let's say if you send something specific, for my subscribers, I do send sometimes t-shirts, so I need to collect is it male or female, as well as what size t-shirt do they need. So I will assume that you will send t-shirts. It will provide you more options, and let's say if you send a sticker, you can remove male, female, you can remove sex, and also you can remove the size of the t-shirt. So first, as I said before, we click on lists, and we click on manage fields, and what fields we need to create. So email, first name and last name created by default. Now we need to create address. There's a few ways to do it. It's up to you. You can create address by as a one field, or you can create like street, one field, city, another field, state, another field, and zip code, another field. For simplicity, let's put just address. Did I spell it correctly? Okay. Text area, click address. Then what we need address. Let's do sex, and here you have options, field types, and since there's only two options, male or female, female, male, click add. And the last one is, let's do size. And again, you can do drop down, but for simplicity, I like radio buttons better, how it looks. So we do S as for small, medium, and L for large. Okay, so we have that. And we click add. So the next step is to create forms. Forms are things that people will enter their information to opt in. And there's few ways how you can host a form. For this video, I'll show you how to create a link, which you can provide to your subscribers and to your potential subscribers, and they can fill out the form for you to collect the data. So let's go to list, forms, click on the forms, and let's create a form. For some reason, something is going on. So we click on create a form, test, collection, test form for video. Okay, here we need to subscribe. This option, we need to add some kind of option. It's I like to add to list, create a form. So click create. So next step is to customize the form to collect all information you need and provide all information you want to them. So for example, please enter the information below to receive a the free t-shirt, for example. Okay, so we do, instead of full name, I like to do first name. I like to do last name. Also, I like to do my fields. You click on my fields here. We do address, and we do sex, and we do size, and we need to check that each field is required. So this one required, this one required, this one required by default, this one is required, this one is required, and that one is required. Okay, so it looks good. Click on styles. I don't like to see this AC branding at the bottom, you see, ActiveCampaign branding, so I want to turn it off. And also, by the way, you can rename it. Let's say if you want to type in something here, you can type it or just leave it blank. I like to leave it blank. It looks nicer. And also you can rename those fields. For example, if we have address here, you can say like enter, like please, like enter full address, street, city, state, zip, and zip code. Okay, so it looks much better. We have a sex. You can rename it, and the last thing, like submit, you can put something, get my free t-shirt. Okay, or get my free shirt, or send me like free t-shirt. Okay, so this is how, like, you have the form now ready. By the way, you can customize its styles. You can change background to something like that. You can create borders. I mean, you can do crazy stuff here if you want. Let's do something. Okay, like that. Okay, cool. So we have this crazy form, and next we go to integrate and options. So there's a few options. First, you can turn off double opt-in, or you can leave it on for double opt-in. It's up to you which way to do. I prefer like turn off double opt-in, but it's up to you. This is how you do it, like turn on or turn off double opt-in. And also you can add tags here, but I do not recommend it because later I'll miss where I added the tag. Tags, just tags for you to know that that person submitted this form. So we click integrate, and there's few options. You can embed it to your site by using simple embedded, full embed. For this video, I'll show you only this link, how to use links. So we save and exit. So basically, if you type in this this link to your browser, it will get you to that form, and you can enter all information. Let's do this is that Andre small, get my t-shirt. Oh, and one more thing. Thank you for sign up. One more thing. There's always one more thing. So after they submit, there's option, show them message like this, thank you for sign up, which you can customize here, or you can open URL, so you can redirect them to specific page on your site. So it's up to you which way you want to go. Which one is better, it's up to you, and depends on your technical expertise to create page on your site. Okay, so we have that. So we already completed two parts. First, we created fields. Second, we created form. And the last one is, let me make it smaller. So we go to automations, because for some reason my use Loom recording device is on the left side and I'm not able to click on automation. So click create automation. So we create automation. We start from scratch. I always like to start from scratch. Okay, we have that. And the next part, we need to start the automation with a trigger. And the trigger for this automation will be submitted form. submits a form. And which form? The form we just created. Consultation test form, test from video, and we need to do it run once. Then we want to add tag like free t-shirt, something like that. Then we need to name automation free t-shirt. Okay, click save. Also, after you're done, you have to click activate to do it. So next, do you want to send them confirmation email? If you do, I would highly recommend it. Like, hey, thank you, we just received your email. We just received your submission, so you create the like email right there. Let's do test one. Test email to the customer. Create. Let's use this one. XYZ. You customize it the way you want it and add any information you want. Click save. Okay, everything is good, but now you need to receive that information to your that they submitted some kind of notification. Click save. Okay, so we click a plus sign here, and we need to send notification to yourself. So you're sending from your email, and you have to type in your email. So let's say I'll use the same email. Okay, so we use that. We use new submission free t-shirt, and to personalize it, what I like to do, email, and I put here email. So this way, each email that you receive, each notification email you receive, it will be separate email, not one under one subject line. Okay. Hi, Andrew. This person submitted a form for free t-shirt. Here is the information. Please send it out. Just be more specific to yourself, because you might forget later, like in 6 months, what you did. So we need first name, for simplicity, full name, because it's easier to create a shipping label, full name, address, sex, size. Okay, and we need to create personalization. So we do first name, then we do last name, then we do address, contact address, contact sex, and contact size. Okay, so we copy this to here, address right here, sex, and size. So now when you receive, somebody submits a form, every time you will receive this information for each person. Add and condition. And I'll always like to end this automation, and maybe you will, yeah. So, and to be honest, I like to always put here 99 days to stop them here. Why? Sometimes maybe I'll come up with some other emails that I want to add it here. So this is how it looks, and you click activate, and yeah, so everything's done. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. Also, like this video if you like it or dislike it if you don't like it. If something's not clear, please let me know below in comments, and also subscribe to our channel to receive more tips and tricks how to use ActiveCampaign for your business. Thank you.